Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a super neutral, just casual look. Just kidding. Today I am doing something that I have been wanting to do for months, for literal months. I have wanted to do like a sunset glitter eye. I got this Stila Magnificent Metal glitter. It's like this pink shade, and ever since I got it, I was like, I have to do like a sunset eye. And I have this Morphe palette. I think this is the 35B, and it has all these like crazy fun colors, and I don't use it that much. And I was like, you know what? I want to do something really fun. And it's starting to get warm here in New York, and I just wanted to do something summery and bold and fun. And I think it turned out really, really pretty. I'm obsessed with it. I think it's perfect for a night out in the summertime, or just sitting at home like I'm doing now. So if you want to see how I got this sunset sparkly eye, then go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get right into it. I'm going to start off with a transition shade from my Modern Renaissance palette. What am I going to go in with? Let's go in with something really warm. Let's do Raw Sienna. Actually, no, Golden Ochre, which is this like golden-y shade right here. I'm a little bit more pale right now, so it's nice to go in with something golden. I'm just going to put that right in my crease. Now I've already primed my eyes and, done the rest of my makeup. Which normally when I'm doing something like really, really bright, I'll do my eyes first. But today I'm being a rebel. I'm just gonna go do it like this. Now that I've gone in with that pretty neutral but still goldeny transition shade, I'm going to dive in. I'm just gonna go straight into my Fun palette. So excited to use this. I feel like I've only ever used this for Halloween looks or do it like maybe one or two shades, but not like fully used it. And I just wanted to do something really fun for summer. So I think I'm going to go in with this light, I just ate it, this light pink shade right here, and put that right in my crease too. Okay, I'm just going to keep going down that row and take this shade, which is like this corally one, and put it just a little bit lower. I think it's really important whenever you're doing something really bright to build up the transition shades a lot, just so that you have a smooth gradient, because you don't want it to look really harsh. That's actually really pretty as it is, especially if you have blue eyes. I feel like that coral color really brings them out. So if you wanted something neutral, you could just stop here, but we're not doing that. Oh, I'm like already loving how this looks, even though this is very neutral, which is not what we're gonna be doing. Okay, I don't really have a plan, but I want to go in with something a little bit more orangey. So I think, let's see, I'm trying to look on camera. I think I'm gonna go in with this shade, which is really bright, but I'm excited. Something that I really like to do whenever I'm working with like bright colors or doing something more complicated is keep that first transition brush next to you, and without any color in between all the shades you put on your lid, just blend out whatever you have so that it always is blended. Now I just really want to deepen this up and make it a little bit more pink. So I'm going to go back into my Anastasia palette and take the shade Love Letter. I'm actually going to take it on a different brush. I'm going to take it on the one that comes in the palette, because I actually really like these on the Anastasia palettes. And I'm going to pack this right in the outer corner and be really precise, since I do have like my face makeup on, and so I don't want to get too much fallout. I'm just going to like pack this at first, and then once I get it in the outer corner, then I'm going to start gently blending it. Now, since I don't really have a plan, I don't know what I'm gonna go in with next, but I want it's looking beautiful, like a sunset, which I love, but I want it to be even brighter and a little bit more daring. So I'm actually gonna go in with that first transition shade brush, and I'm gonna go in with this bright yellow and kind of put it at the very top, because I feel like it'll make it look like a little bit more sunsetty. I don't think that's a word. Maybe very lightly. Oh yeah, I like the way that looks. I'm gonna look like a Fanta commercial is on my eyes. Do you remember that? All the different girls wearing the different colored outfits. Don't you want Fanta? You know what I'm talking about? I always felt bad because the yellow Fanta girl was always so pretty, but yellow Fanta was the worst. Like, everybody knows that one tastes the worst. Ooh, okay. Now I'm gonna go in with something that I've been dying to use, and it's this like hot pink shade. I think this looks like so much fun, but I want it to be really concentrated, so I'm actually gonna go in with a more dense brush. Oh my god, that looks crazy on the brush. Ooh, okay, I'm so excited. Let's see, where am I gonna put this? Maybe just a little bit higher than I put that deep color. Okay, yeah, I really like how this is just a bit more of a warmer pink. I really like this one from Anastasia. I consider this a bit more wearable if you're me, but I really do like this pink shade. Okay, so I'm loving how this has turned out so far. I think it looks so pretty. It literally looks like a sunset, which I'm obsessed with. Do I want to deepen it up? I kind of like it how it is. So now that I've got my eyes looking like this awesome warm sunset, I'm gonna go ahead and go into the glitter that started it all, the one that made me want to do this look in the first place. This is the Stila Magnificent Metal Glitter in Sunset Cove. I have been literally obsessed with this glitter ever since I got it. I feel like it's so fun and I love putting it on all different kinds of looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this into the inner portion of my eye. Okay. Oh my gosh. I love this stuff. Now I'm just gonna let it dry. Now to make sure that that outer edge is really blended, I'm gonna go back in with that hot pink shade and stamp it right over the edge of this. Because now we just need to blend in the glitter to the outer portion of the eye. So yeah, I'm kind of using just like a stamping motion. Get that color laid down. And then for the inner part, I'm gonna go in with a bit of a fluffier brush and take, what color do I want? Maybe this like orangey shade mixed with this like corally one. And bring some of that warmth back into the inner corner because this glitter is a pretty cool toned color. Okay, I'm loving how this looks. Now this glitter is a bit more, kind of has like blue and silver tones in it, but oh, it just makes me feel like a mermaid. Oh, I love it. I think that looks so pretty. It looks like a sunset and I'm obsessed with it. Now that I've just added some color back into the outer corner and I really like how it looks, I'm gonna go ahead and add the glitter to the other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, now that I'm circling back, last time you saw I was putting glitter on this other eye, I went ahead and just added some liner and lashes. I feel like I've been gone from filming for a while because we had a little mayhem happen with this liner. It got out of control, but we put on some lashes and I made it work and we're back. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and add some color to my lower lash line. Ooh, actually, before I put any color, I'm gonna take a liner, this is like a brown eyeliner, and just add this to my lower lash line. God, who makes a cute face whenever they're adding eyeliner in their waterline? I don't know. I'm gonna go in and actually start off with that yellow shade that I added in my crease kind of towards the end there. I'm just gonna add that right under my lower lash line. Next, I'm gonna go in actually with a bit of a fluffier brush and take like this corally shade. That's what I'm gonna do. I want this to be like super blown out. and really low. To add the pink shades in, I'm going to go in with a bit of a smaller brush. I'm actually going to take that hot pink. That's like my new favorite color. Okay, I'm like obsessed with this. Then I'm actually going to go into that Modern Renaissance palette, the Calm palette now, and go into Golden Ochre, which is the very first shade I put down, and kind of add that just as a last blending shade on the lower lash line. Now that I've got all my color on the lower lash line, which I absolutely love, and you can definitely make it more dramatic or deepen it up and add maybe like a really dark color, or you can just stick with like a neutral one underneath if you think like the top of the eyes are already too much. But now I'm just gonna go ahead and add in some lower lash mascara and then I'll be done. Okay, so this is the final look. I went ahead and just added some lower lash mascara. I am obsessed with the way this turned out. I think it's so much fun. And I still think this is wearable. I mean, I know it's like really bright colors and it's, I guess, pretty intense for most people and maybe a little scary at first whenever you see how bright the colors are, but I think it really came together and I think you could totally wear this out with your girlfriends or if you're in a secure relationship, because otherwise you might scare your first date with all this color, but I think it looks really fun. And it's so perfect for summertime and just bright and vibrant, and you can have a lot of fun with the glitter. I mean, I think it's just gorgeous. So if you like this look and you want to see more cool, fun color tutorials, let me know. I really appreciate you watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'd love to see you back. I'm going to post videos more often. I know I've taken a little bit of a break, but I'm back on it now. Definitely going to keep posting every Wednesday, so I really appreciate it. Thanks, guys. I'll see you next time.